Ho, ho, ho. I'm Santa Cop, and you're watching Snapshot 6. Let's take a look around the Athens Unified Government over the last month to see who's been naughty or nice.
The Community Outreach Division of the Police Department organized the 4th annual Shop with a Cop program, sponsored in part by the Athens Police Foundation. Over 55 Clarke County School District students were paired with officers from the Athens-Clarke County Police, the Clarke County Sheriff's Department, along with other local agencies, and shopped for Christmas presents for themselves and their families at Target. The 2018 Downtown Parade of Lights was held on Thursday, December 6th. The parade is sponsored by the Athens-Clarke County Leisure Services Department and the Athens Downtown Development Authority. Personnel from Central Services, Fire and Emergency Services, Leisure Services, Police, Transportation and Public Works, Sheriff, and Solid Waste were all involved in coordinating the event. This year's parade attracted almost 80 entries and an estimated 12,000 spectators. Videos of this year's parade and past year's parades are available at the ACCGOV YouTube channel at youtube.com/ACCGOV. Public Information Office staff created the first edition of a new informative insert to be included in the Water Business Office's December customer bills. The insert, currently called ACCGOV Quarterly, is a new initiative funded beginning in FY19. ACCGOV Quarterly will be included as an insert in water bills every 3 months and will focus on a number of small form news and notes to inform residents about ACCGOV operations, programs, and events. The ACCGOV Quarterly is also available at accgov.com/quarterly and will be distributed in limited quantities in the community. The next ACCGOV Quarterly insert is scheduled for March. The Public Information Office made improvements to the projection and broadcast system in the Commission Chamber in City Hall in preparation of newly televising monthly Mayor and Commission work sessions as of November. Work sessions are non-voting sessions now held in City Hall and generally held on the second Tuesday of the month at 5:30 p.m. They are designed to provide more detailed information, presentations, and discussion on several upcoming projects or policies. The first 2019 work session will take place on a special date of Thursday, January 17th. The improvements included the installation of a 5th camera in the chamber to better capture people presenting when the display projector screen is in use, as well as an improved interface that allows laptops to now use high-definition signals through the projector. A culvert under part of Barber Street between Oneida Street and Chase Street unexpectedly failed earlier this fall, compromising the safety of the road. The road was closed to through traffic while the street, culvert, and utilities were inspected and assessed. Due to the number of private utilities that had to be relocated first, road and culvert repairs recently started. The existing corrugated metal pipe, which carries a live stream, will be removed and replaced with a double concrete box culvert with head walls. The project is estimated to be completed by March. The annual Deck the Walls seasonal shopping display was up at the Lyndon House Arts Center through December 29th. Each year, this event is an extension of the regular gallery shop throughout other areas of the Lyndon House, featuring holiday-inspired, handcrafted works by local artists. Gallery space is arranged full of great gift items, including a Christmas tree decked out with ornaments for purchase. A neighborhood artist holiday market map is also part of this event. This map shows various holiday artist markets around the community. The effort supports all of the artist markets during this season and encourages everyone to shop locally as much as possible.
Thank you for watching Snapshot 6, and we'll see you next month.